All right, guys, after a riveting discussion of the Bond anthology, James Bond, that is, we are back on campus for day 6. What's up, Mike? You know, just filming. This is Mike. Mike and I used to blow glass together like a lifetime ago. So, and now he's here.
Yeah.
We're here.
Who knew?
Yeah, right? It's crazy stuff. So, anyways, day 6, ready to rock and roll?
If these things weren't so nice and sharp, we'd do a chisel drop. No, don't drop your chisel. Boom, day 6 is in the books. Bam! I think we thought it was going to be an easy day.
It wasn't?
Yeah. Why? And if anybody gives me a hard time about my 2-chair saw method,
That's a smarter, not harder move.
there it is. That's wisdom. That comes with old age.
That definitely comes with old age. Having to sit down.
Well, I was going to slug my work right around, so. I'm sure you've seen it already. Ben knocked all of our knee braces out.
Knee braces are done.
Boom. And
Rafters.
the Rafter Master Blaster, woo, all are done.
And
Have you ever seen a broken canvas?
Tom finally delivered our girts.
The Girts are here.
That means all of our timber is now in the shop. We just have to lay out 6 mortises, or 6 tenons and 9 mortises. Blow through those tomorrow. Our building's done.
Woo! Woo! Something like that. Love it. Every girt is sacred. Every girt is great. If a girt gets wasted, Tom gets quite irate. See you tomorrow. Day 7.
I might have to get carved somewhere and hung up.
Tattoo.
Hmm?
Get a tattoo of that.